see my rope, dude? 60 feet, man. It's fucking heavy. Tony? Yeah. No, he gave it to me. Yeah. Already ran over it and everything.
Hey man, have you seen the collection of lifting trucks yet?
The what? Yeah, and he sold the Camel one for the. He traded it for that black Dodge. Really? He's gonna use that one as a work truck. Keep the Ford for him, the 250, and then pull the. Well, he has a Bronco also. The good thing is the military axle. We'll probably let washed out. You gonna put it from the side? Needs to come this way. Oh, hey! Over here! Tired! You're gonna mess up your axle! Hey! You're gonna mess up the axle! Hey! Yeah! You're gonna take your mess up the axle! Good? Get a long bit. There it goes. I won't do that to mine. Man, dude, this has got to feel bad.